Storm watch tonight, a lot of concern along the coast. KCAL 9 Stacy Butler is live in Newport Beach. Stacy, flood warnings are going to go up in the morning for a large part of the coast because of this heavy rain, the high surf, the high tides, the high wind, everything Rich has been talking about.
Kent, that's right, and those warnings are for Orange County coastal areas, especially Newport Beach here. So tonight, residents and city crews are busy getting ready for high tides and heavy rains tomorrow.
It makes me uneasy.
When 82-year-old Bobby Sewell heard that Orange County coastal areas are now under a flood warning, she asked police if they would fill sandbags and deliver them to her Seal Beach home.
And that makes me feel a lot better. The floor on the inside is probably only about that far above the slab.
She's not the only one preparing for a combination of high tides and heavy rains along the beaches tomorrow.
That's why we started doing the sandbagging.
The National Weather Service expects widespread minor coastal flooding during high tide early tomorrow morning. Significant flooding could do some property damage in the more vulnerable areas. While Seal and Newport Beach have berms to protect homes from seawater, it's the city streets that maintenance crews in Newport are prepared to pump water from if it floods. 6 miles from the beach, the Orange County Fire Authority is ready for the downpour.
We've got 2 Swiftwater units staffed starting tonight.
Swiftwater rescue teams are on standby from 8 o'clock tonight until 8 o'clock Saturday night.
3 to 5 inches in a short period of time is a lot of water, so all that eventually flows out towards the ocean, so it fills all of our creeks that are normally dry with a lot of water.
Orange County Storm Center is now activated. It will remain so through the weekend. The National Weather Service predicts waves out here up to 12 feet by Saturday. We're live tonight in Newport Beach. Stacy Butler, KCAL 9 News.